Okay, so now we have 3 paths, 10, 20 and 30. Now we will create another path which will include all of these paths. So we click here, path, empty path. So this is path 40. Now we will select this path as an entry point. Set a simulation entry point. So now the program will execute by first going to path 40. And now we will add path 10, path 20 and path 30 to this path. So first we check move along path 10. Okay, so this is okay. Path 20. 20 is also okay. And also the last one should also be okay. Okay, so apparently we have to go first to Rapid, synchronize to Rapid. So we select all the paths, we press OK. Now the program is created. You can see the list of all the points that we have created. Path 10, path 20, 30, and the final 40, which includes 10, 20, and 30. Now we go to simulation setup, and we have to change the entry point is selected. Okay. And finally, we press play. And the robot moves along all of the paths. We can now execute it again. So this is the external edge, the internal edge, and the circular edge. And this is basically the final result of the homework. Now, of course, you have to save it. First, you press save. And this saves station to your local computer. And you can continue, or you can, if you now close the Robot Studio, and after you open, you can open the file that we have just saved, which is saved file, save station as. It is saved to the station directory, and it's called Robot Studio Station. So I can go to the Explorer. So this is this file. But if you want to copy the file for opening into Robot Studio on other computer, then you have to pack it. So you go to share. So you go to file, share, pack and go. I will just change the name to final, and I will press OK. And now this station, the program that you have created, will be saved into a file called share, pack and go stations. Okay, so it's saved into the stations. So this is the file that you have to take. You have to bring it to our lab to show us the final result. Now you have to also save the program. You go to Rapid, and as I said, this is the program. You click on Task Robot 1, T-Robot 1, and you choose with right mouse button, Save Program As, and I will just select my program homework final, save it. And this is the name of the program. It's saved here. You can also open it, for instance, with a notepad. And you can see that this is basically a text file, which includes the program, all the instructions and the program. So this is model 1. Calib data includes the data of the menu tool and of the work object. And finally, you can also save the simulation into a movie file. Record to viewer. So I will select record to viewer. So the simulation gets recorded. And now I can save it. It's set into exe format. So I will go to D, Y, O, R, Robot Studio, Janus Budovnik, save it here. And now I can run this exe file. It opens RoboStation Viewer. And I can just press play. So this is the final result. Okay, so I will close it. Now all the points that you can see here are shown, so all the coordinates frames. You can also you can choose them all and choose visible, view visible. So now they are not visible. So now you can also play. And of course you can also do the same with the path. I will just press view and visible. Of course, you can also do the same with the okay, and again you just press play. You can also close set not either for the other coordinate frames. So basically this is the final result that you have to show us, and you will be also able to test during the exercise on the actual robot how this program that you have designed in Robot Studio works on the actual robot.